Welcome to 7 Boats Academy. Right now we will discuss about what are the best practices for building links and what is called page authority and domain authority. The first things we need to know about building links is there are four main points. You should always take care about those 4 points. The first one is you should get quality backlinks, not about quantity. You should go about quality. That means how to understand the quality of a website. First of all, by manual scrutiny you can understand the type of the content, the size of the website, the reference, the popularity of the website by doing some manual research on Google, so you can easily understand the quality of the website. There is another tool to understand the quality of a website that we call page authority and domain authority tool, Open Site Explorer, that we would come to that part after some time. So first point is quality matters over quantity. The second one is the relevancy of the website. So you should always take care about whatever other websites they are referring you, they should be matching relevant to your subject, to your business. For example, if 7boards is a digital marketing company, if they get reference from other social media sites, other different media house like mashable.com, like some other social media journal sites like socialsamosa.com, so it would be relevant for them. Similarly, 7boards also have a training division, so if they get links from educational websites like IIT, like IIM, it would be beneficial for them. But if 7boards is getting backlink from a Bollywood website, it would not be relevant to their subject, so it is not that way important. So you should always take care about the relevancy of the backlinks. Third point is all the backlinks you get should be natural, so that you should not use same anchor text to build your backlinks. So we have already earlier discussed that you should have a variety of backlinks, and you can easily check whether you are getting a variety of backlinks or not from Google Webmaster tool, that we would discuss later in the next module. So we can show you how you can understand whether you are getting a variety of anchor text or not. And the fourth one is the freshness of the backlinks. So it is not like that 3 years back or 4 years back you have got some good quality backlink and till date right now you are not getting any other references, any other backlinks, so it is bad for SEO. So you should always, it should be a continuous work, continuous process, so that you can get better backlinks, better quality links, fresh links on a regular interval. So that's the reason we always say that you should update your content, you should share it on social media, so that more and more people know about it, they can share about it. They can also, different other bloggers or webmasters, they can also refer you as study material. As if you are writing good content, then they can also refer you. So that's the reason content updation is very much required to get fresh links. So these are the 4 points you need to remember. So quality, then your freshness, then your relevancy, and your natural links, that means the variation of anchor text. Now what is called page authority and domain authority? So apart from the manual scrutiny, how we can check a quality of a website, there is a tool that is called Open Site Explorer. So if we click on opensiteexplorer.org, so this is a tool by moz.com. so if you search here with the URL, say http www.7boards.com, so you can see the domain authority and page authority over here. So we say if a domain authority is equal to or greater than 30 and the page authority is equal to or greater than 35, then we say this is a quality website. So you can see here the domain authority 31 and the page authority 40, so you can say this is a quality website. So from this tool we can easily check whether it is a quality website or not, and also we can get the total number of root domains and total number of links. This is an approximate idea, so you can get. Now what is called page authority and domain authority? The page rank we have earlier discussed, the page rank is obsolete nowadays, but page authority and domain authority is a very changeable metrics. It's every day it is changing, and depending on that, moz.com, they are giving a score out of 100 depending on various parameters like the number of quality of links, inbound links, the quality of content of your domain, the domain age, and there are various other factors. We are giving this page authority and domain authority. Page authority is basically for the particular page, whereas domain authority is the all inclusive with the all pages, whatever mileage, whatever authority you have got. So that is the figure. So we say domain authority, it must be greater than equal to 30, and your page authority must be greater than equal to 35. So that means you are a quality website. So from this you can get this, and you can also do competitive research about your competitor, what type of what is the domain authority and page authority of your competitor, and you can check your weakness and strength, and then you can improve upon this. And you can also get some sample backlink from your competitors for you as well. If you get the pro version here, you can get the full details. So this is a paid tool you can use, but as a free you can get some ideas over here. And also, so for best practices of building links means, as per Google's saying that you have to earn link. So that means you should focus on regular blog post writing, regular updation of your content with valuable, well researched, unique content you should put, and you should always share it in social media sites, you should social bookmarking sites, and you should build more and more fresh links, high quality links. Also you can buy some, there are some media buying techniques, like you can go for guest blogging, you can also do some kind of social cause. We will discuss about how to build links, how to get good links in the next chapter. So there are some tricks that how you can get good quality links, good quality references from media houses, from good websites. So in that way you have to build links, and whenever your basic boost of backlinks is done, then automatically if you write good blog post, if you are already getting visible in front of other people, so automatically you would get some natural references, natural spontaneous backlinks from other websites. And you can check all these incoming backlinks from your Google Webmaster tool. That will give you insight. So you have to check it on a regular basis, whether you have to check whether you are getting good quality backlinks or there is some bad quality backlinks. So you can then disavow those bad links or detoxicate those bad links. So you discuss in Google Webmaster Tool chapter how to disavow links, how to check a close look into your backlink part. So in that way you have to build links. Thank you.